Hey guys, Noah here with another video to bring you. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make not Minecraft, but paper airplane, as you saw. So, first, you want to fold your paper in half. Make it as smooth as you can. There we go. Oh, a little bit off, but now you take this end, you take it, fold it so this is really pointy right there. Hold it down. Now, do that here. Make sure it's level with the other one. This will preset. Then you fold this down, just like that, so it's going zzz. Do that the other side.
Do you feel like having your cereal now?
Yeah. Then you throw it, not too hard, just light, and it should go pretty far. See that? So, just like that. Now I'll be showing you one more paper airplane.
Well, first
This is when it's first really new. Then you flap it in the air a little bit, jiggle it, and then throw it very lightly. It would do a loop around like this. Like that. So let me show you. You find somewhere light right here. Oh, and that's when you throw it perfect. I'll show you. See that? It was trying to do a loop, so it was like that. See, that's what I was talking about. It goes to the side, and it goes smoothly. That's how far it should go. So now, I'll be showing you how to make a world record one that's even lighter than that one, so it will go even further. So, first, take this. You fold it. You fold it down really far, over the edge. Over the edge, as you see, you can't see my hand. Then put it back together. Then
for Marley or us, to be put in that position, and have to keep them separated, until, for us to live in fear, that sort of thing. Yeah, don't never honor fear, even if you know, I don't want to let the dog down. But at the same time, you're fearful. You're letting the dog down. You're leaving the
And it should look like this.
That's just as bad as being tied on a chain. Don't even fear.
This
You have a choice.
this thing right here should be in the middle. That's what goes. It helps it. Now you fold your wings. This thing has two things to hold, if you can see. I have one. This is it. And you throw it even lighter. It goes faster. This is what it looks like. See, it did a flip that time. This one has different moves. Points it up. That
Your cereal's getting
did a
ruined.
curl and then
Turn that off and do your cereal
that
now.
did a dive. Okay, that's it. Bye guys.